Welcome to a master class in modern landscape architecture. For decades, the front yard has been treated as a purely public space, a vast expanse of lawn designed entirely for the benefit of passers-by. But in contemporary design, we are completely rethinking this concept. We are reclaiming the front yard. By strategically introducing privacy elements, we can transform an exposed, unused lawn into a deeply serene, enclosed seating area. It is about creating a transitional courtyard that offers the comfort of an interior living room with the fresh air and breathtaking, colorful skies of the outdoors. Today, we are going to explore the materials, the planting strategies, and the structural designs that make a modern front yard privacy patio not just functional, but incredibly luxurious. Creating a comfortable outdoor seating area near the street requires a delicate psychological balance. If a wall is too high and completely opaque, the space can feel like a fortress, disconnected from the neighborhood. If it is too open, you lose the sense of sanctuary. The most successful modern courtyard designs utilize a hybrid approach. It is about creating a sense of enclosure without inducing claustrophobia. We want to block the direct line of sight from the street, while still allowing the early evening breeze to flow through the space. We want to filter the light of the setting sun, creating dynamic shadows, while still providing a robust acoustic and visual barrier against passing traffic. This balance is achieved through the careful selection of fencing styles. To achieve this perfect balance of privacy and openness, designers often pair two distinct styles of wooden walls within the same space. On one side, a solid wall constructed of horizontal wooden planks provides a complete, uninterrupted screen. This acts as the primary architectural anchor of the patio, offering absolute privacy where the main seating arrangement is located. Conversely, the opposing side of the courtyard might feature a tall, impressive structure built from a rich, dark-stained wood in a geometric lattice or grid pattern. This lattice acts as a semi-permeable boundary. It is substantial enough to obscure the view from the outside, but its grid pattern allows hints of light and fresh air to pass through. Together, the solid horizontal planks and the geometric lattice create an incredibly dynamic, sophisticated architectural boundary. When you enclose a space with strong wooden walls, the ground beneath your feet becomes incredibly important. A modern patio thrives on multi-textured flooring to define different functional zones. Instead of a single monotonous slab of poured concrete, imagine a layered approach. The main seating area can be paved with large, smooth gray square tiles, providing a clean, contemporary foundation. To create depth, you might introduce a slight elevation change. A lower-level section featuring rich, brown wooden decking creates a beautiful, organic transition. Separating these two distinct materials with a sleek, light gray concrete step or border adds a sharp, architectural finish that is characteristic of high-end landscape design. With the hardscaping and privacy walls in place, the environment can lean a bit industrial. The key to creating a serene seating area is softening those rigid boundaries with plush, inviting furniture. A contemporary outdoor sofa with a dark gray frame seamlessly matches the modern aesthetic of the floor tiles. But to make it cozy, thick, plush, light gray cushions are essential. To inject personality and life into the neutral palette, vibrant lime green and soft yellow throw pillows mirror the colors of the surrounding garden. Grounding this furniture arrangement with a textured dark gray outdoor area rug brings interior comfort outside. A simple modern coffee table with a dark frame and a warm wood top ties the wood of the decking and walls directly into the center of the lounge. Because a modern courtyard is often heavily paved, traditional garden beds are replaced by the elegance and control of container gardening. This allows you to bring lush greenery directly onto the hardscape. To anchor the patio, striking, conical, bright green evergreens, like dwarf cypress or arbor vitae, can be planted in sleek, white, square planters. These tall evergreens provide verticality and contrast beautifully against dark stained lattice screens. Lower to the ground, dark, rounded pots holding spiky, elegant ornamental grasses add movement as they catch the evening breeze. For a touch of formal order, perfectly spherical, manicured green shrubs, such as boxwoods, sit cleanly in dark, low-profile planters next to the seating area. Finally, allowing small climbing vines to slowly creep up the solid wooden walls blurs the line between the architecture and nature. As the sun dips below the tree line and the colorful evening sky begins to fade, the atmosphere of your serene seating area shifts entirely. This is where modern outdoor lighting works its magic. Harsh, glaring floodlights have no place in a relaxing courtyard. Instead, the ambiance is greatly enhanced by warm directional lighting. Modern, cylindrical sconce lights mounted directly onto the horizontal wooden walls cast a soft, golden, downward and upward glow. This specific lighting technique highlights the rich grain and texture of the wooden planks, while gently illuminating the seating area below without blinding the guests. It creates an incredibly intimate, expensive-looking atmosphere that begs you to stay outside long after dark. By reclaiming your front yard and embracing modern privacy structures, you unlock a completely new living space for your home. It is an exercise in thoughtful layering, balancing solid horizontal planks with open geometric lattices, contrasting smooth gray tiles with rich brown wooden decking, and softening the entire architecture with plush seating, elegant container plants, and warm golden lighting. When designed with intention, this space becomes more than just a patio. It becomes a private, serene sanctuary, perfectly positioned to watch the sunset colors fade into twilight. Thank you for joining us, and may your outdoor spaces be forever peaceful.